In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Clockify. By the end, you'll be able to start and stop a timer right from an Asana task and have that time automatically saved to your Clockify account. This approach keeps your focus in one place while ensuring your timesheets stay accurate without any manual copy pasting. First, install the Clockify Chrome extension in your browser. This is what bridges Clockify and Asana so the timer button appears inside your tasks. Once the extension is in place, log into your Clockify account so the extension can connect to the right workspace. If you already use Clockify, just make sure you're signed in before moving on. Next, open Asana in your browser and navigate to any task. It can be a new task or something already on your list. The integration works either way. When the page loads, you'll notice a Start Timer button added to the task interface. That button comes from the Clockify extension and is your control center for tracking time directly from Asana. To track time on a specific task, open that task in Asana so you can see its details. Click Start Timer from the Clockify button. As soon as you click it, the timer begins running in the background. Now just work on the task as you normally would. You can switch between subtasks, check comments, or move to related work within Asana. Your timer keeps going until you tell it to stop. When you're done with that piece of work, click Stop. That single click wraps up the session and sends the time entry to your Clockify account. You don't have to copy the task name or add it manually later. The integration takes care of saving it automatically so your log stays consistent and up to date. If you don't immediately see the Start Timer button in Asana, try refreshing the task page after you've logged into Clockify, and make sure the extension is active in your browser. Keeping both Asana and Clockify open in the same browser profile also helps the integration stay in sync. And remember, you can start and stop as many focus sessions as you need throughout the day, which makes it easier to reflect your actual work pattern rather than one long block. That's it. Install the Clockify Chrome extension, log into Clockify, open Asana, go to a task, and use start and stop as you work. Your time is automatically saved in Clockify, ready for review, reporting, or invoicing whenever you need it.